how to do that. Okay, you flip. Okay.
You gonna open up the present? Ooh.
And then you put next.
Yeah, you just want to see the screen, huh? No. What you got?
And then you put here. And then you can jump.
JJ, you want Mama help?
Mommy, how do I? Is it just loading on the SpongeBob one?
I don't know. You gotta show Daddy, okay?
Oh wait, I'm ready.
Oh. Oh, what's that? That one's from Grandma and Grandpa. Because I'm gonna go for my big present. Oh, what's in there? What is it? Here, Mama help. Oh. Jameson. JJ. JJ, look. Look at the front. Come here. Look it. What is it? Yeah, I don't even know what you're talking about until I get it out of the box. JJ. Still working on that one? Do you want me to help you? Here. Oh. Is that Baby Einstein? That one's from Uncle Scott. Where's you going? Hi. Where'd all the presents go? All that's left is a couple of bows. Hi. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. He's coming up here to sit where it's a little bit quieter. Yeah, it's all empty up here, isn't it? Were you looking for the rest of the presents? Oh, no.